Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide, and here I will detail how to turn off emergency call on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung phone and your phone keep calling emergency contact when the power button is pressed consecutively for 5 times, then I'm going to show you how to fix this on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off on Samsung phone, if you are using anything lower than One UI 5.1, what you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. Then on the settings page, you need to scroll down the page until you get to safety and emergency and click on that. Now once you selected safety and emergency, click on emergency SOS. So select emergency SOS. After selecting it, then there is a button to turn off emergency SOS on your Samsung here. However, if you're using One UI 5.1 and above, like One UI 6.1, 7.1 or 7.0, then here is basically the approach you need to take to turn off SOS emergency contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You discover that if you go to safety and emergency, there is no button to turn this off on your One UI 6.1 or 7.1 Samsung Galaxy phone. Then the only approach you can use to switch this or turn this off is under safety and emergency, locate emergency contact. Now once you tap emergency contact, first you want to delete this emergency contact here, then remove it. So once you remove the emergency contact, you need to add your phone number as the emergency contact. Just click on add emergency contact, and here you just need to add your phone number. So then add your phone number and click on done. So once you add your phone number to the emergency contact, then go ahead and hit the save button. Then to delete the previous contact, just click on this delete and then delete. Click on add emergency contact, then search for your number, add it, done. Then once you added your phone number as the emergency contact on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you can just exit this page. Now when next you press the side button 5 consecutive times or the power button 5 times, this is going to put a call through to your phone number itself instead of calling the emergency contact on your Samsung phone. So you see that? So if you go ahead now and press the power button 5 times, this is going to put a call through to your phone number, and this is not going to go through. Unlike when you have emergency contact set on your Samsung phone that is different from your phone number, your Samsung phone will put a call through to the person, and now I have the emergency contact set to my phone number, and henceforth whenever I have an emergency contact pops up on my Samsung phone, this is going to put a call through to my own phone number, and of course it's not going to go through. So that is basically how to turn off emergency contact on Samsung on One UI 6.1 and above. But if you're using something lower, you can just turn this off on the safety and emergency SOS page. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.